Hey Gary, real quick, wanted to give you an update on the grill model. Let's go ahead and bring this guy in. So Rev 1, the original one, that this was the model that we did with Jason when he was here, where I was showing you guys the fillets and stuff. And this one was missing the ring that you gave me. So we scanned the ring. That's this guy here. I took the dimples out, or the holes out for the screw holes, because you're going to mount this guy from the back, I believe. I can put him back in there if you're going to mount it that way, but I just left it nice and clean. So that was the original one. So that's original Rev 2. This was what was different about this? Oh, okay. So these were my first go-arounds with the sculpting of this. This looked a little bit too round. We talked about putting a V in the middle of it. So what I did is I came over to this is the one here. So what we wanted, the chrome grill that you had, it has a more pronounced V in the middle, but then it has this guy that comes out in the front there. So and then these guys here, these are the tapered fillets like we showed with Jason. And I think this starts at 3/8 and goes to 1 1/8 here, and this guy goes from 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And then this guy is the one down here in the middle. This one's pretty small. This one goes, I think this is 3/16 to 1/2 inch. So let's bring it up and take a look at it in the truck. And let's turn on render mode. So these are the tapered, let's go back, let me go back here, jump back real quick, shaded. So these guys, this is the tapered ring. So it gives us a shelf, or it pronounces the eyebrow more. And the original one, when you put the ring inside of the original bucket, there's that little step where the radius of the trim kit goes to the actual bucket. And what I did is I just morphed those in, so they're just one outer ring there, and then there's the transition where the eyebrow comes across the top. So go back into render mode, and there it is with the chrome. All right, looking at it from the side, I've got a good alignment there with the bucket. I went inside the truck here, and this is part of the scan. This guy was canted a little bit. It was kicked out here at the bottom a little bit, so the side didn't line up. And I'm assuming that this scan information, this is probably the firewall in the backside. So what I did is I rotated this guy a little bit, which brought this bottom over, which brought the bottom back in a little bit. And I think it looks better because this was sticking out a little bit more, but we can mess around with that when we do the mounts. But anyway, take a look at that and see what you think. Hopefully the buck is working good for you guys. I will talk to you tomorrow.